Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon drizzle muffins. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab your milk and then place in your vinegar and mix together until they are combined, then set aside until needed later on. Then you can go ahead and get started on the rest of the recipe. So grab yourself a mixing bowl, making sure it's medium to large. Then add in your flour, followed by your sugar, lemon zest, and not forgetting your salt and baking powder. Then give everything a good mix until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you can then go ahead and start to add in the wet ingredients. So I start with the buttermilk that we made a little earlier on, followed by the oil, and then adding in your vanilla extract as well, and just mix that in until it's been fully incorporated and you have a smooth enough cake batter. It won't be perfectly smooth due to the zest in the mixture, but you know what I mean, it'll be smooth enough. I'm making enough batter for 6 muffins, but feel free to double the recipe to make 12 if you would like. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and divide your cake batter between your muffin liners. I'm using these ones I picked up from Home Goods, but feel free to use whichever ones you can get your hands on. Split the batter, making it as equal as possible. Feel free to weigh it up if you'd like. Then place it to your preheated oven and bake off. While you're waiting for them to bake off, you can make the drizzle that goes on top by simply mixing together equal amounts of lemon juice and sugar. Then, once they're fresh out of the oven, you will then want to go ahead and brush over this mixture on top. It will add a bit of a crunchier or a crispier top, and this is due to the sugar, but this is completely normal and what you're looking for. I brush over a few times just to get enough of that lemon syrup that's soaked into the sponges, but here you go, here is what they look like once they're done. And just after that, I will then go ahead and sprinkle over some sugar nibs, and this is purely for decoration and for no other purpose, so feel free to skip it if you don't want to use them. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my other social media, so don't forget to check them out. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.